Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to uninstall Valorant. Valorant is a fantastic game loved by many, but there are various reasons someone might decide to uninstall it. Valorant can be quite time-consuming. If you find yourself spending more time on the game than you would like or need to focus on other aspects of life, taking a break or uninstalling might be a good idea. First of all, search in the search bar, add or remove in the search bar of your PC. Open Add or Remove Programs. The setting page will open. In Apps and Features, search Valorant. Click on it and then tap on Uninstall. Uninstalling is in process. Now go back and open Windows Explorer. Open the location of the Valorant app on your PC. Right-click on it and delete the file. Now go back to the desktop and type Run in the search bar. Click on the Run app. Type the name of a program, folder, document, or internet resource, and Windows will open for you. Type %local app data % in the file name. Click on OK and the file will open. Scroll down and check the files with V. Type Valorant in the search bar, but no results appears. It means the Valorant app has been uninstalled. That is how you can uninstall the Valorant app. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.